Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Cloud Console using identity verification step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Cloud Console. Sign in with your Google account. Once logged in, locate the project selector at the top of the page. Click on the project selector and choose the project you want to authenticate. In the left sidebar, hover over the I am and admin section. Click on Identity and Organization. Next, find the Service Accounts option in the drop-down menu. Select Service Accounts to open the relevant page. Click the Create Service Account button at the top. Provide a name for your service account in the dialog box. Add a description to help identify the purpose of the account. Click Create to proceed to the next step. In the Service Account Permissions section, select the appropriate roles based on your needs. After assigning roles, click Continue. You may have the option to grant users access to this service account. If needed, click Done to finish creating the service account. You'll see the service account listed on the page. Click on the newly created service account to view its details. Navigate to the Keys tab in the Service Accounts Detail view. Click the Add Key drop-down menu and select Create New Key. Choose the key type as JSON for easier integration. Click Create to download the key file to your computer. Store this key file securely, as it contains sensitive information. Now, open your terminal or command line interface. Use the appropriate command to set the environment variable for authentication. Refer to the documentation for the specific command you need. Once the environment variable is set, you're ready to authenticate. In your application, implement Google Cloud's authentication library. Follow the library's setup instructions to ensure proper integration. Run your application to verify successful authentication with Google Cloud Console. Congratulations, you are now authenticated using identity verification in Google Cloud Console. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.